Hey guys, this is RLC321 back again with some more video, model kit building and everything else like that for you. But this time we're going to be talking about, no, that's worse, the Hulk PVC model. This is the final video for that. I forgot to video the dry brushing, just completely forgot about it, so I apologise. But it has been done. It is now complete. And there it is. That's all you're going to be able to see. You're not seeing any more of it. I'm not showing it to you anymore. That's all you're seeing. I'm going to actually have to move my microphone just a little bit. There we go. Right. Okay. There it is. That is the Hulk, all complete. Actually, I think I'll see if I can take this off and see if we can get a little bit closer. Right. There we go. It's a little bit dusty because I say it's finished quite a while ago. I've dry brushed the hair. Let's see if we can go down the back. As you can see, I dry brushed the hair, just left it like a greyish kind of colour. What I've also done, I found out, because it didn't look quite right how it was. So if you can see the highlight there, I've actually added a highlight of yellow, which works. It actually makes it, I mean, the colour of the light is actually making it a lot brighter than it is. In real life, it's nowhere near as this, but actually, let me see if I could try and switch that off for the moment. And okay, let's make it even darker. Yep, I got to put that light back on. No good. We're good. Okay. I was kind of hoping it would be good, but anyway, the yellow highlights on all the different, like the higher edge parts, has actually really made the model stand out, and I'm really pleased with it. The only thing I don't like about it is this big ass base. I really wanted to see if I can get some broken down buildings or something, but it needs to be in the correct scale. You can see how dusty it is. I haven't used this in a while. Some broken down buildings or something along those lines. But yeah, let me put this back on. There you go, so you can see him in his full Hulkness. See him in his full glory there. What is that seeing? Oh, that's it, my microphone wire. Okay, right. Apologise about that. I can't really do much about it because of how I've got my microphone situated, so apologies for that. But yeah, this is the Hulk, all finished, and as I say, I do think it looks awesome. It was a fun build, really good to do. And it's just a shame that I couldn't paint the head separately to the body, because these hands got in the way, something chronic, when I was trying to dry brush the head. It was a pain in the backside, which was a shame because, as I said, it's such a good model. I'm just brushing off some of the dust here. Let's collect it up. So it's been a good few. Can't even remember when I started doing this, actually, to be fair. Should be able to find out when my last video on YouTube regarding the Hulk. Bloody hell! Okay, nearly November 27, 2016 was the last video I'd done regarding the Hulk. That is ridiculous. I didn't realise it was that long ago, so I apologise, but here he is in his final glory. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this series, and as I say, keep looking out for more model series coming up in the future. This is RLC321 saying goodbye, and I'll see you soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.